Sue's Dolbrodmaeth Garden today, and it is the 15th of October 2021. This is just going to be added on to my previous video because I didn't get round to finishing it because the plumber came round and I just didn't get round to putting an ending on. I didn't get to do the job. I started doing around the tree and then I had to go and wash up and do stuff indoors, and I didn't get back round to coming out or finishing the video. So I'm just going to quickly show you what I'm going to do in the polytunnel today. It's a beautiful day, sun's shining, it's really lovely. Really want to go for a walk down the river today. Might take you with me on that journey in a separate video. A walk along the Dolbrodmaeth River. I mean, I really want to go for a walk down the Dolbrodmaeth River just here. So it's a beautiful day today and I might just do that. Anyway, so I just really quickly want to show you, I've been in two minds as to what I wanted to do today, because I need to go on the computer and do stuff. I absolutely hate it. I hate it when the sun is shining or when it's not cold outside and I feel like I need to be outside, and I know I need to do some stuff online, but I just hate being indoors when the weather's nice outside, because it just is, I'm just an outdoor person and my soul is out here and not indoors on a computer, so I have to sort of wait up. But so I'm staying outside today at the moment, so I just want to show you quickly what I'm going to do. Okay, so what I've decided to do this morning, because I was like in two minds as to what to do, is that I'm going to finish putting in, which I've decided to finish putting in these little radishes here that I think I need to put in. So I'm going to dot them around. So I'm going to put some at the back here because I think they grow quite big. Oh, look at my lettuces, they're doing really well. So since I've been putting the mulch around and giving them food, and look, everything's growing. I've come out here since how many days now since I planted these, and all my cabbages seem to be alright. Nothing's being nibbled, touch wood, on top of my head I'm just touching. So yeah, so I think we might have found the cure, plus there are no pests around now because they've all got killed off by the cold, because it is quite cold in the evening. So with the radish I'm going to plant some, oh yeah, because I want to put, see these, sorry I'm getting distracted, the Savoy cabbage here. So I can see there's a few like really big ones, so what I'm planning on doing is taking out the big ones and planting them. So I think we could put two across the front here. We don't want to make them like, because I know there's two red cabbage at the back there, and then I thought I might put two or three of the Savoy cabbage in here at the front. So I might do that. I'll see, we've got a spot over here we could put a Savoy cabbage in here, so we could put one in here, and we're just going to dot them around everywhere. We could put one in there, and then we can put the radish that's over there, we're going to dot them around as well, so we could put some radish in here and Savoy cabbage. Yeah, we've got a couple of spaces at the front here, we could put some radish in here, say about 3 in there. And we got some space here, so we could put some radish in there. So I'm just going to dot them around here and there. And my other thing that I wanted to do today was just clear that table up there, just tidy it up a bit. I'm going to pot on those 2 evening primrose. Yeah, they've come really late. The seeds didn't really germinate. They are seeds I collected from the evening primrose outside. I've got 2. So we'll see how that goes, but today I want to do these 2 hanging baskets, this one here and this one here, because look, these have gone over now because it was these are the geraniums, so I don't know, they were quite easy to do from seed, I must say. I'm not going to keep them if they're not looking good plants. If they're good looking plants and I dig them up, I'll overwinter them in the polytunnel. And if they die, but they might be alright, we'll see. This bed's looking good, look. See, everything's looking good. I've checked all the beds outside. They're all looking good. I put the bloodfish and bone meal round my parsnips here the other day, and around my celery here. It's still growing, so that's good, isn't it? Look at that celery. So you can eat all these stalks. So we'll have some nice celery for the winter. I've still got celery in pots at the other end of this thing. I've started harvesting all the physalis yesterday. That there is some picks up that I've got a whole pot full from down that end from those two plants. Well, there's 3 plants there, and I took the physalis, well, the bigger ones, off of these. These are starting to die back now. I took the physalis off them yesterday. But we've still got all these to go. There's still loads over there. So I think out of all the plants, I must say that physalis have given me the most fruit. This is the only fruit that I've had this year. And strawberries. I had strawberries, but not as many because they were new plants. But next year, from the older strawberries, I should get loads of strawberries. And then from the newer plants, I will start getting some. But the strawberries are doing really, 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 really well. So we're going to be putting them outside. And I'm still going to keep the original ones at the front. Whoops. At the front. Oh dear, I better not point there because it's making my camera go funny. I must start using my camera, not my phone. So along the front there are the original strawberries, and then all these other ones are all baby new ones. So all these new ones are going to go in the bed outside. So I'm going to take them all off and prepare the bed over there. That one there is stuck up for the strawberries. That one there, middle one. Look at the day, it's beautiful. Sun's shining, look. Wow, 15th of October today, folks. Look at that. Oh, you can see our log store from here, look. So we made one log store, look at that. So we're going to make another one this weekend. Looks good. So in here, this is where I'm going to put all the strawberries. So this whole bed will eventually be a strawberry bed. Yeah, that's what I'm planning, because it's under these trees. And then we're going to have this bed spare soon. So I'm not sure what I'm going to put in, because in this bed here is a massive stump of a tree, which is why I thought it would be good for the strawberries to go in. And in this bed, I don't know what we're going to put in there, but all that stuff hasn't died back yet, as you can see. But they're all going to go in the garden soon. And squash, I can see that the hollyhocks are going over at the back there. Look at that ginormous one. I need to tie it to that pole. Got no squash, but they still look beautiful. And next year we'll make sure we put all the squash are going to go in the other bed over the other side of the garden that's now cleared. Yay! So I'll show you that. And in here we're going to put in all our fruit. So I'm going to put all the fruit bushes in this bed. Well, not all, because there are some in here, and I'll leave them in there. But this is the fruit garden. So they're all going to go in here at the moment. And next year, I'm not sure about growing brassicas in up here again. I'm not sure what I'm going to do for the brassica. Oh, yeah, I've got 2 turnips. This one's got this. Something's eating it, so let's just throw it on the compost bin. This one is just a little weeny one. Might take this one indoors and just grate it into some salad. And I'll have a look at this manky one. See how far the beetle's gone. Anyway, never mind. So that's the turnips. So they're the 2 that were poking out the top. So I pulled them out. And the rest I've tried to bury, so you can't see the tops of them. And we'll just leave the rest and see how we do for turnips. Might sow some more and plant some more turnips out, because they're quite a good winter vegetable, aren't they? Anyway, let's crack on with what we need to do today. Oh, and I need to go and do around the tree. Oh, poor little plant. So these coleus, I will take them into the polytunnel, but I think they will just die back. I'll cut them down and then just leave them in the polytunnel. I might cover them over when I get a risk of frost. But they were so easy to do from seed. I might collect some seeds from them. I still think I've got loads of seeds. And they're not quite seeds, that just broke off in my hand. Anyway, let's get on. So I just want to say goodbye. So it's very quick today because I had to just quickly nip out. And I've just quickly done some... It's so amazing how the time goes so quickly. I mean, I've literally came out of 5 and it's now 26. So now I need to just go and put the animal food in and lock the animals up before I go. Before I go and get the fish and chips. So we've got to have this amount physalis in here, which I will add to the table upstairs. I will show you how much I've already harvested of those little fruits. They're not very big, some of them are really small, but still, never mind. Next year I'm keeping 3 or 4 of the seeds of the berries. You know, these little things, I'm going to let them ripen. I've got 3 nearly really ripe ones now. And I'm going to keep them and I'm going to get the seeds from them, and then I'm going to grow them again next year, because I don't know if I've got any seeds left of those. I think there was like an exotic plant that came in an exotic pack, and I don't think there was any more seeds, so I'm going to collect seeds and do them that way, so that I can grow them again next year, because I really like them. They're really easy plant to grow, and they don't take up much room. They look very exotic, and they don't have any pests, and they produce all these fruits. Loads of them. It's probably one of the most productive crops that I've done, actually. So even though they're small, there's still, you know, there's quite a lot of them. So anyway, that's it for now. So if you want to know anything about where we live, or anything about Polytunnel, or ask me any questions, or leave me any comments about anything, then just leave a message below, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Tell your friends and family about my channel, and I'll see you again in the next video. So bye for now. Bye.